Hello guys, my name is Cotton and I'm going to take you through on how to georeference a scanned plan or a picture using arcGIS. So this is the folder that contains my plan. So we have the plan for the Goromons area in part of an area in Zimbabwe. So what you need to do, your picture or your scanned plan or map should be saved as a JPG file. When you save it as our arcGIS with JPG file, sorry. So you have to save your plan or map or picture as a JPG file. After saving it as a JPG file, as you can see, this is our Goromonzi plan and this is the JPG file. You then go to your arcGIS. Mine is ArcMap. I'm using ArcMap 10.5. Then you open it. Mine has been already opened. After opening it, as you can see, you have a blank space. Here it is. So what you need to do is go to Windows, then you go to Catalog, right? Left click Catalog. Then you say go to connect to a folder. You select the folder that you want to connect to, which is the folder which has your map, plan or picture. Then after doing so, you see the folder will be here. Then you left click on the plus sign here. After doing so, you see the Gormon's plan here, so you drag it to the screen. There's another method of doing so. Then you say okay. You can go to data, add data, then you select the Gormonzi and add again. It gives you same results. After doing this, you go to layers. You go to table of contents, then you select layer, then you go to properties, then you select the coordinate system. So let me check the coordinate system for this plan. I go to zoom, then I zoom the area where the coordinate system is written. So from here, we are using the Clark 1880 spheroid. So I go to layers again, right click, properties, then you go to geographic coordinate systems, then you go to spheroid based, because this one is a spheroid based. You can select whatever coordinate system that you want here. Then I go to Clark 1880. I can edit to my favorite so that it will be close, and then I say apply, then okay. Then from there I go to Goromonzi, then I right click, go to zoom to layer so that I can show the whole, it can show the whole area. Then I go to zoom in, then I select zoom in, then I select, you have to have at least 4 points according to me, so that you can geo-reference your plan easier and it will be more accurate. The more the points, the more accurate it becomes. So the first, I'm going to look for the first point, so I zoom this area. So I want to use this one as my first point, so I'm going to copy the coordinates on a piece of paper. So in this case we have 316. You add 3 zeros for this plan, then you say 8008, then you add 3 zeros again. That's my x and y coordinates. Then I go back to the table of contents, Gonomonzi, and zoom to layer. Then I do the same to this corner so that I can geo-reference all the corners for the plan. So here I'm going to use this one, 34000 0 again, then 8008000 again. Then from there, to make it fast, I'm going to zoom to layer, then zoom to the other corner, and do that for all 4 corners. On this corner, I'm having 3160007982000 again. Now, after doing so, after writing these coordinates, you have to write 4 or more for it to be easier and a bit more accurate. You go to a blank space above here, then you right click, then you go to and select the one written geo-referencing. After selecting it, as you can see, there is a toolbar here which pops up. You need to use this toolbar. So I go back again to Goromonzi, then let me zoom layer. Now After doing so, I zoom in to the point, our first point. Then I go to the reference, geo-referencing. Then you select add control points. Then you select there. Then you go to the select with the control point that you want to add. This one, so we had used this one. So I will zoom in as much as possible so that you can hit the center, get on. So right, left click, then it pops up a green plus, meaning that that point is selected. Then you right click, then you say input XY coordinates. So my X coordinates 316000. Then my Y coordinates 8008000. Then you say okay. As you can see, the plan will shift to the coordinates, the coordinate that I have put into. So you go again to Goromonzi, to the map that you want to use. Sorry. Then you go say zoom to layer. Now this first point is already there. Now I'm going to zoom to the second point. So I'm going to do it at this first so that I finish first. Once again, you click zoom in as much as possible to the point that you want. For time purposes, I won't zoom in that much. Then input again 34000. Then 8008000. Okay, this is our second point. Then I go to once again, zoom to layer. Then I go to my third point. Sorry, I've made a mistake. So you say escape, then you start again. Our third point, I zoom to that layer, go to zoom again, continue the same process. I'm going to use this point here. That's the one that I've been previously. So I go to here and select zoom again as much as possible for time purposes. Then put so for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm only going to use those 3 points that I have, so that you can understand what you wanted to do. Then you say okay. Then after doing so, as you can see, the mark is on the line. So from there you go to reference, geo-referencing. Then you say update reference. Then it's done. Then from there, as you can see, we can go back to Romonzi again, zoom to layer. Then I can zoom to a specific point again just to check if it's okay now. So you should be having, so I select here, select elements. Then I go to my first point. As you can see, you will see the coordinate system, the coordinates which are on the left bottom corner. They are almost matching with the ones that I have. I didn't select the center exactly, so you will see it's in the range. That means it's correct when I'm hovering the mouse over the area, which means we have geo-reference our plan. So from there you go to file, then you say save as. This one I want to save it as Goronzi geo, so that I know I have geo-reference it. Then I say save. Then that's how you reference the plan. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to our video so that we can continue making more videos like this. Thank you guys. I hope you like it, you enjoyed it.